Hello boys and girls, today we are learning a new sound and that sound is V. When you see this side of the card, you say V. When you see this side of the card, you say vulture. Now it's time for the peekaboo game. Just say what you see, V or vulture. Now we're going to write the sound with our finger. But before we start writing, we need to learn the rhyme first. And the rhyme for this sound is down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. So start at the top of the sound and go down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. Now you carry on saying the rhyme. Get your pens ready, we're going to have a go writing the sound in our books. Get whoever's helping you to write the sound in a light colour on the top line and to put a little dot where you need to start so that you know where to put your pen. And just remember, take your time and say the rhyme. Down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. Now you carry on saying the rhyme. Now you're going to have a go writing the sound independently. You can get the person that's helping you to put a little black dot where you start so you know where to put your pen. But just remember, take your time and say the rhyme. Down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. Down a wing, up a wing. Now you carry on saying the rhyme. Super writing, everybody. Now have a look over the V sounds that you have written and pick your favourite one and put a star by the side. So when you look back over your work, you can see what a good one looks like. Now it's time for popcorn words. Any words that pop into your head that start with the sound V, I want you to shout them out now. Fantastic work, everyone. Now I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with the sound V. Can you guess what it might be? It's a violin. Now, boys and girls, I want you to have a go drawing pictures of your own of things that start with the sound V. I wonder what you will think of.
Hello, boys and girls. Super work today. I'm so impressed with how well you're doing with all your sounds. Make sure you keep up the hard work. Make sure you post your work to Dojo as well so that we can see what you've been up to. See you next time for another sound video.